Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today we're talking about Tesla. It's going to be a short video, but I believe there is a very underappreciated topic that no one is really talking about that I believe it's going to drive Tesla. And with that, let's get into the video. So recently, in an interview to Third Row Tesla, Elon Musk spoke about the importance of warranty, okay? And that most new auto companies fail because most of the fleet that they sell takes a long time to get out of the warranty program. Now, why is this important? Because parts and repair services are one of the biggest drivers when it comes to margin and revenue for these companies, or high margin revenue. That's the thing. The thing right now is that Tesla only has, according to Musk, about 10% of its fleet out of warranty, meaning the other 90%, every problem that they still have, it's always going to be assured by Tesla. So they are not making extra profit by selling these parts. Although they are an electric vehicle company and electric vehicles don't have that much issues or problems, they do have some, and when they happen, they are pretty expensive. I just wanted to give some highlight to this topic because I feel it's not being talked about very much lately, and so I'm gonna leave you with Elon Musk quote from Third Row Tesla video so you can hear it by yourself and consider that I really do believe this is a very big driver for Tesla, even on top of subscription services, new gigafactory, solar panels, new central bank move for green bonds and green investing. I really do believe this variable, the one that talks about warranty and the way Tesla can monetize its fleet, it's really being underrated. And that's why I'm talking it right here in order to give it some exposure.
The incumbent car companies make most of their money from selling spare parts to their existing fleet at high margins. And they'll sell the new cars either at de facto zero margin or even at a loss. It's kind of like printers and cartridges or razors and blades. You sell the razor at a loss, sell the blades at a profit, sell the printer at a loss, sell a cartridge at a profit, or video game consoles. The actual cost of, say, an Xbox is $600, but you can buy it for $300 or $400 because they make it up in the games that are bought. So so if you're a new company, you do not have a fleet. So you have no fleet with which to subsidize the sale of your new cars. This is the primary reason there has not been a successful car company startup in the United States. This is the primary reason. Because the incumbent car companies have 80% of their fleet outside of warranty or something like that. Maybe it's 70%, but approximately. Like if a car lasts for, say, 20 years or something like that, and the warranty is for 4 years, then it's 80% out of warranty. So even if they stopped selling new cars, they would still, their profit would increase. So companies themselves will often make more than 100% of their profit on selling spare parts.
Wow.
Yeah. So if the point at which they're making, say, 110% of the profit from selling spare parts, it means that they're actually selling the new cars at a loss. So this is the very difficult thing to overcome. In order to overcome it, a car has to be significantly more compelling than other vehicles, such that people are willing to pay a premium, and that you can actually be positive cash flow, aspirationally profitable, selling new cars, not simply selling spare parts of the fleet. For Tesla's fleet is probably 10% of Tesla's fleet, or something less than 20% is out of warranty, whereas 80% of the other car makers is out of warranty. So this makes it very difficult. Also, electric cars need much less servicing. So that's another difficult thing.
Please, if you do like this video, consider supporting by liking and subscribing. and I'll see you next time.